Hello guys, welcome to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you everything you need to know about Upwork and how you can set up your Upwork account to get more gigs and how you can find latest job posted on Upwork. So before I continue, if you are new to this channel, my name is Ali Lukmanomotayo. On this channel, I share videos on how you can make money online. And if that's what we're looking for, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and also click the notification bell without wasting your time. So let's go to Upwork. Although you already know about Upwork, and if you don't know much about Upwork, this is a freelancer website where they connect job provider with freelancer. So you this is a website you render your skills on, and you get paid for doing so. How how work should work? Forget the old. You can have the best people right here, right now, and right here. So this site is trusted by Microsoft, Airbnb, and Bcell. So as you can see, it is free to join, no cost to join. You post a job and hire top talent here, work with the best without breaking the bank. So they have different category, different skills, development and IT, AI service, design and creative, sales and marketing, any skills you have. So let me log in to you can sign up by clicking the sign up button here, and you can also log in if you already have the account before. So let me log in. So this is how an Upwork account look on your mobile phone. You have my proposal, my project dashboard, and jobs uh that you can submit proposal for. As you can see, this was posted 47 minutes ago, while this was posted 45 hours ago. So before we talk about jobs, so let's talk about how you can set up your account and get more gig. That will be your profile. So first, after you've already created your account, you have to fill up your profile. Make sure you fill everything about your profile, what you are doing, your description, your work history, your portfolio. This portfolio, as you can see, yeah, this portfolio, this means the job that you have already do, your past job. So this would be an example for those that want to come and hire you. So they will see your previous job, so you add them there. If you have this project catalog, if you have something you want to sell, any skills you want to sell, now you can just post it there. This place also you can do video introduction about yourself, your language, your education. And make sure you feel uh everything about you on this profile page here. So this testimonial also, as you can see, they have percent. This is 5%. This certifications, this carry 10%. This employment history, these have 20%. So these things, if they add them together, if your score is over 90%, then you have high chance of getting job. As you can see, other experience 5%. So I'll be showing you a freelancer profile here. So let's go. So we are checking um this freelancer um profile. So let's look this freelancer from Nigeria. So this person already take over 154 total jobs and already earned over $40,000. So this person is a romance ghostwriter, $15 per hour. The person have his description written there. This is where I show you before the catalog place. So the person is writing the his service is writing and translation, which is $100 per 10 minutes. So work history. These are the job you have already done before. So it's history. So these are what your client will be also be seeing. So this is the portfolio skills. As you can see, another catalog. You get a top quality contemporary romance book for Amazon, $150. So different service. As you can see, education, certification. This is this certificate you can get it from online platform. Just sign up and complete their program and get your certificate. So as you can see, this is where he put it his own portfolio. This is writing about it. This is the previous work. So and these are testimonial from his client, and he delivered good work for me on this romance book project, and I enjoy working with him. So that's all about it. First, you have to make sure you you complete your profile to get high chance of getting more job. So before I continue, I'll be leaving a link in the description below. So if you want to know more about Upwork, I believe the course in the description below we guide you more on how to how to navigate on Upwork and get more job, because there's nothing better than having community or mentor that will always show you how you are going to be doing it. So if you want to get the course, just click the link in the description below and you will get the course. So let me show you how you can get um, um how you can get a job posted within 1 second, 5 seconds, or within 1 minute itself. So let's go. So here, as you can see, this is our search button. So we have to search for jobs or talent, that is freelancer or project. So we are searching for jobs. So I'll be choosing, let's go with graphics design. So let's go with this one. Let it load up. So as you can see, this job was posted 8 minutes ago. A JPG to vector logo conversion, cool and minimum padded racket. This was posted 12 minutes ago. But we are, if you want to get jobs that are posted within 5 minutes to 1 second, click this button here, this option. This is the filter button. So you click it and you see you sort by newest. Let's see other option, newest. So you then you choose the experience level, if it's entry level, intermediate, or expert. Then you choose the job type, the uh the price, and number of proposal, that is those people uh that have already job proposal for the job. You choose less than 5, then you click apply filter. So let it load up. So as you can see, it already show another jobs. So this was posted 3 minutes ago, this 7 minutes ago. So if you click on this one, it will be less than 5 people that have already sent proposal. Even it might not nobody, it might be less than, this is less than 5 people already sent proposal, and this person have the payment verified. This person already spent over $600,000 on Upwork. So this is a legit client. So if you work for this person, the person will pay you, and this is 6 months job, and you spend 30 hours per week. So that should be around 5 hours or 4 hours per day. So that's all about Upwork. And if you want to know more about it, don't forget to click the link in the description to get the course I mentioned earlier that will show you more about Upwork, how to get gigs, and how to write proposal that will make clients choose you among other freelancer. And if you have not subscribed to this channel, don't forget to subscribe now.